ticket coming in now is the service to Edinburgh from Manchester Piccadilly, the Trans-Pennine Express. That's Nova. So this will be the Manchester Piccadilly. This will eventually probably form the service back.
Another gate.
Yeah. No worries. Station staff are very professional today and letting me know.
That's it?
There we go. Oh, cheers. I can get close up with the number then.
Yeah, I know more than you go.
Thank you very much. Wow, the staff are amazing. I'm still in the middle of recording as well. Right, let's see what this is. A first shoot. I'll get the number off the front of this unit. There's coach D. First class is always in coach E. This train is not in public use, so please do not board it. Over there is the class 92. 397008 Trans-Pennine Express service. Oh, they're amazing. I tell ya, I'm definitely going to travel with them. I said, I caught some of you looking pragmatic. It's nice to have someone friendly. And departing in 5 minutes will be the Glasgow Queen Street service from platform 12. And that'll be 38513. Yes. I want to have a look at how many coaches it is actually. Is it a 4-car or is it an 8-car or a 6-car? Oh, this one's a long one. I'm going to go get the front of this train as well then. I'm going to go get the front of this one. This is a Glasgow Express service. It's a 1, 2, 3. I think this is run the Simmons mode. I think this is Simmons Nazario family train. Oh, the doors are shutting again. They're automatic. Oh, there's first class coach. The pantograph is on the second coach. This is keeping me fit. This is keeping me fit. Gotta walk all the way now to get the number. There's the number. 385119 and 113. As you can see, there is a first class. Anyway, oh, there's a train coming in behind it. I can't get the numbers off of that one though because it's behind. It's actually really good. The staff here today are amazing. Ooh, I think my shoelace might be untied. And there's the Birmingham New Street service. So this one actually might not be going back. Anyway, this one's from Manchester Piccadilly. Well, there's a fair few offerings today, despite the lack of the Zoomer train not turning up. There was supposed to be a half-free King's Cross service, which I would have gotten as well. But yeah, sadly, that thing never arrived. What a shame, really. I think I will call it there for now, as I'm running out of storage space. Right. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. I got some beautiful footage. That was some beautiful footage. Yes, that's amazing today. I got some amazing footage today. I got the Trans-Pennine Express that just came in on that platform behind us. And all the other trains that were... And I got the numbers off that Glasgow Queen Street service that's going out in 5 minutes or so. So, yeah. And I actually caught some of your trains as well.
What's that?
I caught some of your trains the other day when I was in Cran Manor. And I got some amazing footage today, so you guys are amazing with your staff. Keep up the good work.
Yeah,
It's just a shame that some of the staff are fighting over the huge pay rise they want because of all of the pay inequality. Because you guys are all essential workers.
Money and a lot of the trains.
And at the end of the day, whatever they fix, I hope to God they sort something out.
As long as the trains are running,
as long as the trains are running, that's all that everyone else cares about.
Take the time yourself.
I should keep on doing it now. Thank you. And keep up the good work. Wow. Oh, that's some amazing views. I got some amazing views of the train. Oh, I got some footage close up of the trains. So God let me through the barrier line. Oh, there's a 158. Nice shiny train coming in as well. On 15. I'm still recording apparently. But anyway guys, got some good footage through the gate line. A 158 with an unidentified 1734 at the front. The 1618 departure on that platform. And then the 1607 probably to Glencoe from to Edinburgh. This will be starting from here. And that one will be the Edinburgh service in about 15 minutes time. Anyway, I think I'm going to leave it there because I've got to go and meet someone anyway, so I will see you guys in the next video. And far now is an unidentified train to 170 to some far and distant land. If anyone knows where that 170 is going in the tunnel, in the background, if you can see it, please comment.